To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Good morning, SK. I'm Lana Duque.
And I'm Leah Hannon. We've got some important news to deliver today, so let's get right into the show. Lana, you started us off.
You got it, Leah. Are you interested in conservation and marine science and would like to learn more about it? Well, luckily, this Saturday, there's a Youth Ocean Conservation Summit at the Seattle Aquarium. If you are interested and want to register, visit the Career Center for more information. And the Naked Turkey competition is happening now. Today and tomorrow are the last days to bring in any non-perishable food items to lunches to nominate your favorite teacher to wear a turkey costume all day Monday. Also at lunches, ASB is running Thankfulgrams, where you can write a note for someone you are grateful for to be delivered to their third period class next week.
Seniors, do you need help with your high school and beyond plan? Then come to the Career Center tomorrow at 6:45 a.m. Mr. Reichel and your counselors will be there to help you. If you won't be able to make it tomorrow, there will be a few more opportunities in the next couple of weeks. In scholarship news, the Elks Most Valuable Student Scholarship is due today. Also today, a U.S. Marines rep will be in the Career Center at 1:30 with info about the ROTC scholarship. If you are interested, head to the Career Center to get a pass. Be sure to check in the Career Center or online for more information on scholarships.
Hey Leah, it's too bad fall sports are over, isn't it? There's so many great events, like when ladies soccer and volleyball had a game the same night.
Being able to go to 2 sporting events in one night is a rarity here at SK, but that may not be the case anymore. Thanks to an effort from Mr. Kirk in the athletics office, volleyball and ladies soccer both played in one night. Even though this is fun and an exciting event, it also has some anticipated impacts on school culture.
We have 2,800 kids, and you know, a lot of times there's barely even 20 students at a game. So I'm hoping that you know, if we could get 5% of the student body, we'd have the biggest crowd of any crowd in the SPSL. So
Along with supporting your school and being able to go to 2 sporting events for the price of 1, or completely free with ASB, there are also associated student body members selling snacks and drinks for $1 for 2 items. Even though it was the first time SK has attempted an event like this, the difference was noticeable.
I looked over the student section while I was playing, and I mean, usually there's quite a bit of people there, and we get a good crowd, but this time, like, there was way more people there, like 10, 20 more, and I was like, where did these people come from? And yeah, it was pretty cool.
Sweet. If you missed out, don't be disappointed, as Mr. Kirk has some good news for you.
I'm hoping to create a couple events where, on the basketball side, where we have both boys and girls varsity play here against, I'm looking at Bellarmine and Olympia are willing to do that with us.
So stay tuned in on WTV in the coming months for more information, and go Wolves!
Those were great games, weren't they?
Yeah, they were. But you know what? The winter sports season is just beginning, so there will be plenty of awesome sporting events happening. And the ladies bowling team has already started their season. Last night, the ladies bowling team beat Cram Kapowskin. Erin Alonzo, Abigail Kay, Jasmine Lamoureux, and Shilene Tedla had great games. Nice job, ladies.
There is no schedule of events for today, but be sure to go and support your fellow Wolves in the upcoming sports season. In other sports news, the SK football banquet will be Monday at 6 p.m. Now moving right on over into club news. Clubs meeting today are Illuminate Bible Club, Everyone's Equality, Art, German, Knowledge Bowl, Journalism, Spanish, FFA, and Magic and Trading Cards.
And clubs meeting tomorrow are Builders of Unity and Interact. DECA and FCCLA will not be meeting today. FCCLA will be meeting every other Mondays from now on. DECA members wanting to compete at the Area 7 DECA competition must sign up by next Wednesday. And if you are looking for a club to join, take a look at this video about Illuminate Bible Club.
Hey South, are you looking for a club to join, one that is fun and interesting? Join Illuminate Bible Club. This club has fun games and great snacks every week. Now what is this club about?
Illuminate Bible Club is a great way to learn about the Bible and have a great time with friends overall.
Our club always has a positive atmosphere and everyone gets along.
Illuminate meets on every Thursday in room 224 at 2:10 to 3.
Make sure you join Illuminate Bible Club. We accept everyone.
Make sure to get out and join a club today.
Well, that looks like all we have for you today.
Have a wonderful day, SK.